Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you had seen earlier, like it was on top of the deck before I shuffled and cut the deck. Soul retrieval. This is really saying that you are looking at the you know, like it in the bigger picture. This is so beautiful. I started earlier and I had to stop because just people were passing by, and but so amazing because the sun is shining now. Like we already had this one card earlier that came out. Oh, the crows. There's like, let me show it to you. Look at that. Just showing to you. The sun is shining now. So we got this card earlier, the soul retrieval. What I'm getting here is that you are seeing the bigger picture and you are calling back your energy as the sun is shining now. Yeah, it was not really sunny today. It was gloomy and now it's shining brightly. Yes, it's so beautiful. It looks like there's like a spotlight, but it's a real one. It's the sun shining, which is really nice.